We essentially have 4 campaigns that we have for the manager, director, and above inside any of the purchases in the IC tool suite powered by Ingresso Cibernetico. So as you come in and you progress, as you move through the actual referral program and get to a new level, upon landing at the manager level at 300, you're going to begin to receive the online reputation management campaign. Once you promote out of it, you'll get an additional reputation management, and you should want to move on now to the TubeTargets combo campaign for 500. Now that's going to add a feature by adding your promotional video in conjunction with the online reputation management video. So as you move through that particular level and you move up to the vice president level at the 1500, now you're going to get a really powerful competitive targeting campaign. This is really lights out, and you would be able to continue to get some of the combo campaigns and the reputation management, because each time that you move into a new level, you're going to get that service, and as you move out of it the first time, you're going to get additional services every time you cycle, and then you put the request in for the additional videos after you have cycled. It's pretty exciting. So you can continue to move through your levels, cycle out, and you're going to get an ample amount of video campaigns. Now the cream of the crop is the virtual video billboards. That's where you're just about in every other keyword area that you can actually achieve relative to your topic or your category, business category, whether you're a local brick and mortar, if you're a heating and air, like I'm going to show you here in just a moment with the examples. You may also have your graphic and banner found in the Windows contractor or general contractor. That's what that means with the relative search. Very, very powerful. It's where you're out there really populating every aspect of your industry and everything close to your industry. Now the important thing to note is that you can become a presidential at a one time, and the presidential will allow us to actually expand your keywords as well as expanding your targeted cities where you're marketing to. And at the point that you have achieved the actual virtual video billboard and you have cycled out of the executive vice president, you will be able to receive exclusivity in that particular area for your main keyword, which means we would not be able to do anything in that area for anybody else. Now up until that time, you may have some competitors who may jump on board, but the first one who gets into the executive VP and then promotes out of it, well, then we can no longer do videos relative to those keywords for anybody else except the first one who has gone through and completed their referral matrix. So let's go ahead and take a look at all the examples. We're going to speed through this so that you can really have a good understanding of all of them. It could go on, but we're going to hit the highlights. You're going to be pretty impressed. Let's jump on over there and do that now. Alright, the intent of this part of the video is to share with you the highlighted components of each one of these really remarkable video marketing campaigns. And we're going to start with the reputation management campaign. That's the very first campaign that you get. We have a pre-built video that we put up for you, and we optimize it. And how we optimize it and what we're talking about in part is that this particular video will have 3 pieces to it. The review word, the phrase review, so it gets indexed as a review video, the key word phrase that you would like to be found for, and the actual location that you want to show up. So you get one of those, and of course we have the review video. Now we're looking at this particular client, alright, and we've got them pretty much really well placed in the search results here. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like. He's here and here and here and many more down. Let's go ahead and go to Google and take a look and see. There he is. There's a video right here, and you can tell that this is a fairly competitive page. How can you tell that? Well, when you have a lot of ads, all 3 at the top and several down the side, you know you got a competitive page. as well as noting that you have several of the Google Places locations that are occupied. So that's a competitive page, and his video shows up right smack in the middle of it. Now, you can also see that not only do we get YouTube and Google, but over here for the same search term inside of Yahoo results, there you go. There's the video, one of the videos. So for the same phrase, we've got it optimized to show up even in Yahoo. Now let's take a look at what happens when you progress out of the manager level into the business director level. That's the 500 level. And once you get there, you're going to get an enhancement. That enhancement is going to include a promotional video. And a promotional video is going to be a pre-built video that you already have or that we can get made for you, but it has to be something that's approved to be used by you. So when we get that, we optimize it, and then we plug in your particular keyword and your location, and there you have it. In this case, this client has literally dominated, and this is part of being consistent and moving your campaigns along, because over time you're going to get a ton of videos to just really wipe out your competition. As you can see here, he owns almost all of these in that search term. Let's take a look at how that would show up in Google. Here's Google. You can see for that same search term, go down, there's the video, right? And now let's go ahead and go from the 500 over into the vice president level, the 1500 level. And this is where it really gets interesting, because now we're going to take that same client, you, and we're going to then optimize the videos 100% white hat, 100% legally, and we're going to do a very professionally well done Tube Targets review video. And that Tube Targets video is going to be optimized to engage the YouTube community, and it really is a strong video. And the real important thing here is the graphic icon. That's what we're looking to achieve here in this case. So here you can see that this is a review, Westside Heating and Air, Augusta, Georgia. This isn't the same client. You see Busby's, Busby's, Busby's. The fact is that it's been optimized, and our optimization is so powerful. And again, this is 100% legal, and you can do it. And we provide some really cool campaigns that do reviews where your graphic shows up in the featured results. Powerful. Then over time, your promotional videos from the previous campaign will pull too. So now you're populating. This happens to be Busby's #1 competition, or one of them, and we can pull several of these results, and you're going to see the same thing over and over. Now, how does that play out? Well, if individuals go in and they want to review Westside Heating and Air, Augusta, Georgia, well, guess what they're going to find? They're going to find our clients, who is now serving as the sponsor. They're the Tube Target sponsor for that category, and because they are, that graphic can sit there, and it's optimized properly, and his graphic sits right there in his competitors' search results. And so when people are reviewing, they're going to find Busby's just like they would a banner ad. Now, as you move through to the next particular aspect of the competitive targeting, you're really going to like this as well. And this is where you're actually, as we go to the next frame, you're going to start showing up in the competitor's actual results without the review, because you've gained authority and the campaign continues to run. Look at this. Here is our client right here who is serving, and this would be your particular graphic inside your competitor's actual search results. Amazing. And the phone number and the web address, and you're getting branded inside of all of your competitor positions over time. And again, it's 100% legal, and it goes by the YouTube and Google policies. And so after you've completed this aspect of the vice president level at 1500 with the competitive targeting, that's pretty powerful. The next level up is at the executive vice president, and this is where we run the virtual video billboards. And this is really cool, because now we're running review videos at this level, we're running promotional videos, we're running competitive targeting videos, and now the icing in the cake is that now you're getting into other relative search locations. Look at this. This is an example of what I'm talking about. You come up here and you search for review general contractors in Augusta, Georgia, which is my neck of the woods. You can see there's an ad, all the Google places, not much going on there on the side, but several good companies right there. When you come down, you'll see that the general contracting result shows a Busby's graphic. Well, again, what's happened is that we've done a review. Busby's is the sponsor, and he gets the graphic, and his web address, his name, and his phone number show up and is branded in a relative search. And relative search meaning that there probably are people who are reviewing their for a general contractor, and we want our people to show up where some of the other search results would pop up, where people would have an interest in the heating and air. And so this is another one. Here's another one with the windows. You can see we did another review campaign, review window contractors, Augusta, Georgia. And now, again, this is somewhat competitive, obviously. If you come down here, and lo and behold, there is a Busby graphic, and he is dead center in the results. And so as you move across all the levels, we keep adding on these really cool features that will give you, as a local business or a home entrepreneur who's trying to get their MLM or the direct selling business out there and exposed, gives you an opportunity to really get exposure as you move across each of the levels with the IC tool suite.